Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a fascinating new tool that's shaking up the job application process, JobHuntr.fyi. Now, if you've ever found yourself lost in the maze of job applications, this episode is just for you. Imagine this: you're a job seeker, juggling multiple applications, tweaking your resume, and trying to keep track of where you've applied. It can feel overwhelming, right? Well, what if I told you there's a native macOS desktop app that can take that burden off your shoulders? That's exactly what JobHuntr.fyi aims to do. So, what's so special about this app? At its core, JobHuntr.fyi harnesses Ollama-powered AI to apply for jobs on LinkedIn, automatically and continuously. That's right, it's like having a tireless assistant who never sleeps. You don't even need an OpenAI API key to get started. Just think about the time you could save clicking apply on countless job postings without lifting a finger. But let's get into the meat of it. How does it actually work? Essentially, it connects to your LinkedIn profile and uses AI to scan job listings that match your skills and preferences. Imagine setting it up to search for your dream job, and then, bam, it starts applying for you 24/7. Talk about job searching on autopilot. Now, some of you might be wondering about the quality of the applications sent out this way. I mean, how can an AI know what to say in a cover letter or which skills to highlight from your resume? That's a valid concern. The beauty of JobHuntr.fyi lies in its customization features. Users can train the AI with key information about their experience and what they're looking for in a job. This training helps ensure that the applications sent out are not just automated clicks, but rather tailored submissions that reflect the user's true qualifications and aspirations. Now here's a thought. What does this mean for the job market? On one hand, it could allow more candidates to apply for positions they may have skipped if bandwidth was a factor. On the other hand, will this lead to an influx of applications for positions, potentially making it harder for candidates to stand out? It's a bit of a double-edged sword. Also, let's consider ethical implications. With AI stepping into such a personal space as job seeking, how do we ensure that it's used responsibly? For example, does automation lead to a sense of detachment from the job search process? We want to make sure job seekers remain engaged and informed rather than relying solely on a tool. And I have to ask, how do you all feel about the influence of technology on the job market? Do you welcome tools like JobHuntr.fyi, or do you prefer the old-fashioned, hands-on approach of applying manually? Before we wrap up, let's reflect on some key takeaways from today's discussion. JobHuntr.fyi is revolutionizing the job application process, allowing users to automate applications and giving them back valuable time in their job search. However, it's crucial to maintain a balance between leveraging technology and ensuring personal engagement in the application process. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're curious about exploring more about the role of AI in job searches or want to share your experiences, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, happy job hunting.